Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to untag yourself on Instagram step by step. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Instagram. Make sure the app is fully updated. If an update is available, go ahead and update it before continuing. Once the update is complete, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now tap on Privacy, then select Tags and Mentions. Here you'll see all the photos and videos where other people have tagged you. Tap on any post where you want to remove the tag. Once the post opens, tap on the three dots and select Remove Me from Post or Untag Yourself. The tag will be removed instantly, and the post will no longer appear in your tagged section. And that's it for this video. I hope this guide helped you. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful Instagram tutorials, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.